Hey, how you doing? I'm going to do an unboxing today. Have you ever thought about getting a ring light for your YouTube channel or for your live recording business, whether it be you're a vlogger, makeup artist, or whatever you do? I'm a yoga teacher, and I normally use natural light, but with it coming into winter, I've decided I need some more lighting, because unless I can get my classes recorded between sunup and sundown, I just can't record at night, which when my kids are in bed really is the best time for me to do some recording. So I decided to invest in some lighting. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Kogan 18-inch round ring light, which after some research and it was well within my price range, very reasonably priced, and with Afterpay, I decided to buy. And I thought, because with everything that's happening at the moment, so many businesses are going online, that I would do a review for you and let you know whether it's any good. So thank you for joining me, and let's have a look at this beautiful new toy. I'm so excited to unwrap. So I ordered this last week. I think it was Thursday last week, and it arrived today, Thursday. So it took 5 business days to arrive by courier and was delivered, which is really, really good in this COVID time where things can, deliveries are a bit slow. I just found it really, really quick to get here. Super impressed with delivery time, because of course when you get something you've been thinking about getting for a while and you make that decision, you want it real quick. So go Kogan. Well done on delivery time, super impressed. So this is your box that it comes in. Just going to show you now. So the reason the box is open is because I cut off the package here that identifies my address and everything like that for privacy reasons. So here we go, unboxing. I haven't actually taken it out of the box other than to cut this, because I didn't want to cut anything there. So this is how it comes. Let's move it. Okay, let's get this baby out. I'm excited. Here we go. Wow, here we go. So, we are. Comes in this beautiful toe case, which is good because, I might want to transport it around. I'll try not to too much, but as you can see, it's quite large. It's good. Nice carry case, made of nice solid material. So we're going to open it up and see what we've got in here. Here we go. Ring light, looks like. And we have an adapter. So I'm videoing this at the moment under my bedroom lights, which are awful because I set off an awful glare where I normally record my videos. So I am really, really excited about this, because yes, I've only really been able to record during the day. So that's your bag that it comes in. It's fairly well padded. I wouldn't go kicking it around. We've got some bits. Whoops, something's flashing. What do you got? Ta-da! Anyway, looks like a remote. You've got your book, tells you what to do, how to use it. Warranty card from Kogan. This comes with it should be a perfect condition and ready to enjoy, and it looks like it is. So, next step, get these out the way. Beautiful bag. It actually is a really good bag. I'm quite impressed with the bag. Remote. These look like attachments for something. Well, I'll find out in a minute. Your adapter. And the ring light. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Let's have a look. Woo. A mirror. Comes with a mirror. So here she is. Isn't it beautiful? So there we go, that's the size. Not a bad size. So that's what you get. You get your ring light. It's got an attachable mirror, I believe. Now, here we go. Something else in here. Dip that out. There we are. This looks like it might be a tripod. Well, it is the tripod because it comes with a tripod. Pretty awesome. For the price, very good. Here we are, tripod. So here we have a tripod. Say that again. There we go. You get a tripod with it. So I'm going to set this bad boy up now, but I tell you what, I'm pretty happy with it so far. So we'll set it up. Okay, so to show you the difference, pull this back a bit. This is me without the ring light at arm's length, and without the ring light at a distance. This is normally how I record my classes. You see that's horrible glare behind me on the TV. Yuck. Right, let's do the light. Okay, so I actually have to correct myself. It's 19-inch LED ring light. So it's 19-inch, which is pretty good. So I'm just having a look. I'm going to insert one end of the ball head into the lamp slot. So I'm assuming that's attach the holder to the cradle. Okay. So we're attaching ball heads. Ball head. Shimming. Ball head. Is it looking good? What I'm supposed to be doing? Yes, yes. It's telling me I should be doing that. Good, good, good. Woohoo! There we go. Ball head is on. So that's a ball head. That's a ball head. That's a ball head. Right. Next step. Attach the holder to the cradle. Okay. Fix the mirror on the aluminium hot shoe. Hot shoe? Is that a hot shoe? So much fun. Let's just put the lamp on, shall we? Let's give it a crack. Let's just wing it. Yeah. So if we look at the picture here, and we look at the picture here, color control, color knob, on off, how to adjust angle knob, hot shoe, screw mount. Yes. Okay. So this is us. This goes. What is going on? Doing brightness control. Yep. Okay. Kogan. Kogan on the back. Yep. Right. I don't understand where this all screws on. Am I doing something? Okay. So I think it's supposed to. No. The instructions need work, Kogan. What are we doing here? In the box. Okay, step one. We'll go back a step. Ball head. Insert one ball head. Insert one end of the ball head into the lamp slot. And attach the holder to the cradle. Darren! Okay, forget about the ball knob. What we're doing, this goes straight on. Do not hesitate. Apparently, you just shove that right on in there. That's how I'm reading the instructions. If I'm wrong, please correct me. But I do not. It seems like that's how it works. It's secure. So, bring it up a little bit, I guess. Bring these knobs here on your tripod. You can go quite high. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit. There we are. Tighten. No, that's loosening. Tighten. Honestly, what are they called in charge of this technology? I'm a yoga teacher. I should not be doing this. Alright, so then we got that. What do we do next? Plug it in. No? Oh. Alright, so we've loosened the angle tilt knob, adjust the required angle and tighten the angle. What's next? Okay, so you can also angle it back and forth, which is pretty exciting. You can adjust the colour temperature. Do you know what? Let's just do this. Let's just do it. I want to see it on. I want to see it on. I want to see it on. Whee! Whoa! There we go. That is probably too bright for you. That just burn your retinas out or what? Here you go. So I'll bring you to the side a little bit. So that is quite bright. I'm impressed with that. That is good. So I'm just going to sit this here. I'm going to put it to the side a little bit. Ignore my towels in the background. This is one reason why I need this light. So I hope that's not too bright for you guys. But I'm just going to have a play now and show you how you adjust, because you can adjust. So you've got brightness control and color temperature. So brightness, you can dim it down. Woo. Make it really bright. You can change the color. So you've got warm white, light white. Here we go. This is exciting. There we go. Done. That's great. I'm really excited. I'm really good. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is with the ring light. So I'm just going to put it at an angle. So I'll bring the phone round, place it by, there we go. So this is with the ring light, and as you can see, it does a lot better. A lot better picture, a lot better quality. You're going to be able to see when I'm doing my yoga classes a lot better. Gorgeous. So I'm pretty happy with that. And for you guys that do beauty bloggers, let's see what it looks like from inside of the ring light. So here we go. Now we've got different, we can turn it down or up. Wow, that's right. I don't know if I like that. Yeah, no, that's good. So we've got up, and then we've got different colors. Nice warm glow, bright white, and a blue. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna stop this review now, and I'm going to record a class with it. So I'll let you know, give you some pictures of that. Thank you for joining me. Well worth the money. Kogan 19-inch light, great within a budget for someone starting out. Give it a look up. Bye.